If you've just purchased a Tesla or have just taken delivery of a Tesla, you want to ensure you protect your new purchase. Because with any special purchase, safeguarding it becomes a priority. Today we're diving into 7 must-haves that will be your Tesla's guardians against the elements, the unexpected, and even the minor mishaps that life occasionally throws your way. These 7 must-haves go beyond the standard fare. They're not just add-ons, but rather the protectors of your new sleek ride. Plus, I'll make sure to include the links in the description below in the exact order I go over them, so all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So buckle up and let's dive in. Let's talk about an absolute game changer for any Tesla owner looking to keep their ride in pristine condition. Paint protection film, or PPF for short. It's a nearly invisible layer acting as a guardian, shielding your car from the onslaught of road debris, rock chips, and insects that could leave your Tesla looking like it went through a battlefield. Now, Teslas, with their distinct lack of a traditional front grille, are particularly vulnerable to those menacing rock chips. I reached out to some PPF shops nearby and they quoted me $2,000 to $4,000 just for the front bumper and the hood. But fear not, there's a more wallet-friendly alternative: DIY PPF kits. They range anywhere from $300 to $600 for the front bumper and the hood, and you're armed with the means to apply the same level of protection your local detailer might charge a pretty penny for. I personally went this DIY PPF kit route on my Model Y. With a bit of patience and attention to detail, you can achieve the same results as professional shops. But not all DIY PPF kits are created equal. I'll provide you with the links to some of my favorite DIY PPF kits in the description below, and the exact same one I use on my Model Y. This next protective accessory is one that I think is absolutely necessary for all Tesla owners, and it's a MagBak RimCase, and MagBak has sponsored this video. It's quite literally a case for the edge of your rims. When you order the RimCase set, you get 4 boxes, one for each wheel. Each box comes with protective films, the RimCase segments, and a few alcohol wipes. You put the protective films on your rim before the actual RimCase segments. These protective films are designed to help protect the wheel from hairline scratches or scuff marks. But before you start installing them, you want to make sure your wheels are clean. Once they're clean, dry the wheel and use an alcohol wipe provided on the areas where the segments will be going. The alcohol wipes will help the protective films to adhere more effectively. When you're installing the first set of protective films, you want to place them above each spoke with the cuts facing upward and fold them in. And then repeat the process for all of the spokes. The next set of protective films go in between the spokes and it's the same process. Have the cuts facing upward and fold them over. Now you don't need the protective films to be perfect because RimCase segments will be going over them, so don't worry if there are a few air bubbles here and there. Now we will start installing the RimCase segments. You want to start with the valve segment first. With all of these, you want to ensure that you remove the 3M tape on the back before popping them on. Now simply place it on the rim and clip it over the back until you hear it click into place. If you have the Uber turbine wheels like me, you want to go counterclockwise when installing the rest of the segments. If you have the induction wheels, you go clockwise. The process is very easy and straightforward. The segments clip over the rim and pop into place. Now the only tricky part is the last segment, as it requires slightly detaching the outer hook of the first segment. So use the pry tool provided to gently pop up the first piece so that the last piece can go under it with ease. Then simply reattach them to secure it in place. Super easy installation in just a few minutes for each wheel. I really like the results and the peace of mind that comes with these MagBak RimCases. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Why do we need this? Well, if you're a Tesla owner, you've probably noticed that curved rims are a common sight. Whether it's due to poor visibility or the tire not protruding enough, it can lead to some seriously expensive repairs. And if the curved wheels are not repairable, you'd have to purchase a brand new wheel which can set you back hundreds of dollars. The RimCase offers a practical solution by taking the brunt of the damage and allowing you to replace individual slots instead of the entire wheel if you do get curb rash. And the segments are an easy swap out in the event you do curb rash them. You can just replace the damaged sections to keep your wheel looking brand new. Overall, the MagBak RimCase is a solid accessory, especially for new Tesla owners. I highly recommend them, and they're available for the 20-inch inductions and the 21-inch Uber turbines on the Model Y and the 20-inch Uber turbines on the Model 3. I think they're a great investment if you're worried about curbing your rims. And hey, if you do decide to grab one for yourself, use the code TESLAMAT15 at checkout to save 15% off your entire order. Links will be in the description below. Next is a ceramic coating. Now you may be wondering, what's the big deal about ceramic coatings? Well, let me break it down for you. A ceramic coating acts as a protective shield for your car's paint, safeguarding it against harmful pollutants, UV rays, water spots, and even oxidation. Not only does it provide protection, but it also helps maintain that showroom shine, luster, and color that we all love. Some shops out there can charge an arm and a leg for a professional ceramic coating application. But fear not, because I've got you covered. I've created a step-by-step guide showing you how to apply ceramic coating to your car for less than a Benjamin. Yes, you heard that right, under $100. In that video, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. I even demonstrate how I apply the ceramic coating on my own Model Y, including on top of the PPF. So if you're ready to give your Tesla that extra layer of protection and an incredible shine, check out the link in the description below to watch my detailed tutorial. Now the fourth one is something that I absolutely find crucial for your Tesla. It's rear door PPF. When I took delivery of my Tesla, I did not install this, and after a few months I had a bunch of small rock chips. I ended up purchasing the paint repair kit from Tesla along with a rear door PPF kit from Amazon, and that fixed the issue. I made a video showing exactly how to do touch-up paint and install the PPF yourself. I'll link that video in the description below for you to check out. But briefly, the PPF acts as a shield, preventing those inevitable rock chips from marring onto your paint. It also safeguards your paint from harsh elements like snow, salt, sand, and other pesky debris that can wreak havoc on your paint. Now let's talk about something that often gets overlooked but plays a crucial role in keeping your Tesla's interior pristine. All-weather floor liners. Floor mats are, without a doubt, one of the most fundamental accessories for any vehicle. Navigating through the myriad of options in the market can be a daunting task, but fear not, because I've done the legwork for you. I personally believe the industry leader is 3D Max Spider. I actually did an in-depth review on these floor mats, and let me tell you, they're my absolute favorites. If you want to know all of the details, make sure to click the link in the description to watch that video. In a nutshell, what sets these mats apart is a trifecta of qualities. They're lightweight, durable, and odorless. The anti-slip feature ensures that they stay securely in place even during those spirited drives. And cleaning is a breeze. They truly tick all of the boxes of what you'd want in a floor mat. I've also got a discount code for you. By using the code TESLAMAT10 at checkout, you can save $10 off your order. So be sure to check them out by clicking the link in the description below. Now let's dive into an accessory that might seem simple but plays a crucial role in safeguarding your Tesla: Mudflaps. These unassuming additions are, in my opinion, one of the most essential accessories for any Tesla owner who wants to protect their vehicle. Without mudflaps, your Tesla can become a canvas for all of the debris to create an unintended artwork on your beautiful paint. A set of mudflaps can act as your car's shield, standing guard against rocks, dirt, and debris, preventing them from getting kicked up and potentially damaging the paint. One of the standout features of these mudflaps is their hassle-free installation. There's no need for drilling or messing around with tape. These flaps seamlessly fit into the original hole locations, maintaining their sleek and uncluttered look of your Tesla. It's all about that clean, minimalist aesthetic, and these mudflaps ensure that your Tesla stays protected without compromising on style. Now, Sentry Mode is a phenomenal feature. It allows you to monitor suspicious activities around your Tesla while it's parked. When it's enabled, your vehicle's camera remains powered on and ready to record suspicious activity around your vehicle. Think of Sentry Mode as an intelligent vehicle security system that alerts you when it detects possible threats nearby. And the best part of Sentry Mode is that all of it can be recorded on a USB drive. All new Teslas come with a USB drive to record Sentry Mode and dashcam events. Considering that Sentry Mode is constantly recording, you want to invest in a high-quality SSD to keep up with that action. In the description below, I've included links to some SSD recommendations that I personally recommend. These SSDs are not just storage devices, they're guardians of your peace of mind. Because in the realm of Sentry Mode, the last thing you want is to miss a critical event due to storage limitations or read and write speed limitations. SSDs offer lightning fast read and write speeds that boast high endurance ratings, perfect for handling frequent backups and continuous data recording. Sentry Mode already protects your Tesla with the cameras continuously recording, but what good is that recording if you can't have it reliably stored or saved without an SSD? If you found this video informative and valuable in discovering new ways to protect your Tesla, I'd appreciate it if you can give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Be sure to check out the accessories by clicking the links in the description below. It helps support the channel if you buy from those links and use the discount codes. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite Tesla accessories and any recommendations you have. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.